আসসালামু আলাইকুম। আজকে আমরা পড়ব প্রোটিন মেটাবলিজম সম্পর্কে। অ্যামিনো অ্যাসিড পুল। The human amino acid pool is the total amount of amino acid in the circulatory system and that are available for bodily uses such as for the synthesis of protein, manufacturing of enzyme, hormone and the like. When time are lean and few calories are being taken in, the brain may signal the body to begin breaking down protein chain in order to have raw material essential amino acid for various processes. In general, if the brain feel the certain processes are more important for survival than are certain protein chain, the protein will be sacrificed. Extreme starvation example demonstrate the brain dedication to protecting core life function by eating its own protein stores. Tissue protein, plasma protein, enzyme, hormone, antibodies, hemoglobin. এটা হলো নাইট্রোজেন পুল, এটা হলো অ্যামিনো অ্যাসিড পুল। আদার নিউ অ্যামিনো অ্যাসিড, ডায়েটারি প্রোটিন, গ্লুকোজ, গ্লাইকোজেন, লিপিড, নন প্রোটিন কম্পাউন্ড, হিম, হেটারোসাইক্লিক অ্যামিনস। আর নিচেরটা হলো ক্যাটাবলিজম, কার্বন ডাইঅক্সাইড, water, urea, energy. Nitrogen balance. The term nitrogen balance refer to the amount of nitrogen the body excrete, the opposite to the amount of nitrogen the body takes in. All of the macronutrient, protein, carbohydrate and fat are made up of carbon, hydrogen and oxygen molecule. Protein alone also contain in addition nitrogen molecule. When the body digests protein, these nitrogen molecule are generally released into the blood. Measuring bodily nitrogen level can be the most accurate way to determine whether the body is receiving adequate, inadequate or excess protein. There are three stages of nitrogen balance: negative, positive and equilibrium. If an individual has a negative nitrogen balance, that person's nitrogen output is greater than his nitrogen input. Because protein is the main macronutrient containing a nitrogen molecule, a negative nitrogen balance can be a sign of inadequate protein consumption and malnutrition. Function of amino acid. Generally, the amino acid serve 5 functions in the body. They furnish the material from which protein is synthesized by various cells. They are used by the cell in manufacturing enzyme, hormone and other nitrogenous product. They are used in constructing blood protein. They may furnish a source of energy. With some of the amino acid being transformed into glucose and glycogen, they aid the body in performing many functions as described in their individual description. Basic process of amino acid catabolism: transamination, deamination, decarboxylation, deamidation. Transamination. Most common amino acid can be converted into the corresponding keto acid by transamination. This reaction swap the amino group from one amino acid to a different keto acid, thereby generating a new pairing of amino acid and a keto acid. There is no overall loss or gain of nitrogen from the system. R1 CH NH3 plus C double O minus amino acid 1 plus keto acid 2 R2 C double bond O C double O minus equal to R1 C double bond O C double H R2 CH NH3 plus C double O minus মানে R1 আর R2টা এক্সচেঞ্জ হয়ে যাবে। আগে যেখানে অ্যামিনো অ্যাসিডে R1 ছিল এটা এখন কিটো অ্যাসিড 1 এ চলে যাবে। Deamination is an oxidative reaction that occur under aerobic condition in all tissues but especially the liver. During oxidative deamination an amino acid is converted into the corresponding keto acid by the removal of amino functional group as ammonia, and amine functional group is replaced by ketone group. The ammonia eventually goes into urea cycle. C bond H bond R in H2 COOH এটা deamination of amino group হইল। Oxidative deamination occur primarily on glutamic acid because glutamic acid was the end product of many transamination reaction. Decarboxylation. Histamine is derived from decarboxylation of the amino acid histidine, a reaction catalyzed by enzyme L-histidine decarboxylase. It is a hydrophilic vasoactive amine. Histidine decarboxylase এখান থেকে হিস্টামিন হয়। Histamine is an organic nitrogen compound involved in local immune response as well as regulating physiological function in the gut and acting as a neurotransmitter. Histamine triggers the inflammatory responses as part of an immune response to foreign pathogen. Histamine is produced by basophil and by mast cell found in nearby connective tissue. Deamination is a chemical reaction in which an amide functional group is removed from an organic compound. In biochemistry, the reaction is important in the degradation of protein because it damages the amide containing side chain of the amino acid asparagine and glutamine. COOH CH NH2 CH2 তার নিচে হবে CO NH2, এটা হলো L গ্লুটামিন, এটা গ্লুটামিনেজ এনজাইমের মাধ্যমে COOH CH NH2 CH2 COOH প্লাস NH3 আলাদা, এটা হলো L গ্লুটামেট।